Hi everyone, welcome back. I enjoy actually bringing some of these brands and its products to you now, and especially when we know the circuit breaker is going to be unlocked in phases and stages. So I thought that it would be still good for you to see these brands so that when you're ready, you can either go there physically to their stores to try them out, or online sales are still very much on. So today I'm going to bring to you Simone Irani, and being my namesake, obviously I have an interest in this brand. So I haven't opened it yet. It was sent to me just a couple of days ago, and I'm just going to open it now so I can be equally surprised as you in terms of the unboxing. All right, so it comes in this lovely green bag, as you can see, with a beautiful name, this beautiful name, and it comes with a white ribbon, so very stylishly packaged. It's also nice for you husbands if you're watching this, or you can always forward this video to your husband that if they're buying you a gift, it comes very nicely gift wrapped. Okay, on the inside, there you go. This is how it's packaged. Now this is a cloth, I think it's a muslin cloth bag, muslin cloth. So you can see very environmentally friendly, and this brand and this company is obviously always giving back to the community, and also being very fashionably sustainable with how they produce their beautiful dresses and pieces. So here, so we're just gonna open it up, and let's see. It doesn't want me to open it up. Oh my god, it's so tight. It's not meant to be opened up. Okay, so there you go. And let's see what goodies we have. So let's start with this one. So it's wrapped up tissue paper and with her trademark logo sticker. Oh my god, I've been eyeing this piece for a while. Let me see. Oh my god. It is the one shoulder dress. Okay, I'm going to move the camera a little bit further back so that you'll be able to see it, and I will style this later, but let me just show that to you. So let me move the camera a little bit further back. Move my chair. There. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this yellow flower. I love the yellow flower. And if I'm not mistaken, this is probably a viscose non-crease material. It's got this elastic band on the underarm side, and obviously it will hold the dress tight on that side so it doesn't slip down. You can see your bra, or if you're not wearing one, whatever that's underneath. And on this side, as you can see, beautiful, gorgeous one shoulder sleeve. Okay, and with this dress, it's also non-crease. You can see I'm scrunching it out, and it's non-crease, so perfect for in the house when you have kids, or you know, if people are just coming over when you can. It's nice. And look, it's a simple dress, but the pattern of the print, and this is the back, gorgeous. And you can style this up and style it down. So styling it down would mean wearing it as it is, maybe just simple stud earrings, and that's for you knocking around the house, maybe a nice ring or a bangle or a bracelet, and that's fine. But if you want to style this up, I'm actually seeing the potential here where you could style it with a statement belt, do up the hair, heels, nice clutch, and obviously statement earrings. So okay, so let me put that two looks together, and I will showcase that to you very shortly in this video. And let me see what is the next item. So again, same tissue paper. Look at this. This is just a top slit here. The side slit is quite high, but I don't mind. If you can be funky enough, you can wear denim shorts underneath. That's quite cute, isn't it? But look at this, and it's quite long. It's like almost all the way down to the bottom. So again, I will present to you a video of how to style this. Now, this comes with the matching pants, and I just want to show it to you that the pants comes with an elastic gutter, so there's 2 side pockets as well, one on each side. Okay, these are, I'm very surprised, gorgeous pieces, and thank you so much, Simone Irani, for these gorgeous pieces. I'm going to showcase them to you very shortly, so stay tuned, watch this space, and I will be back. Now you can see here the beautiful print of the tunic, and we've got matching shoes here from TUI collection to match if you're wearing out, and keeping the jewelry simple, pair of hoop earrings from shop Luster Jewelry, and 2 rings which I couldn't decide, so decide to put them both on. You can choose the different style. This one's just with 2 stones, and this one's got that Roman print which will go quite well with the pharaoh tunic suit. So here you go, a nice flowing piece that you can wear about in the house or even take it out about. So here for the one shoulder dress, you have the gutters to hold the dress in place, and the one shoulder sleeve, beautiful yellow motif of flower, and matching gold and black sandals to go with the color tone of the dress. And here we also have matching gold and black earrings. These are from the Shinrin collection of shop Luster or Luster Jewelry, and the matching black onyx bangle as well as the ring. So this will be a very beautiful daytime look that you can wear out and about, a little bit dressed up, but nice pieces, classic look. And also we have the statement earrings. These are from Hooks and Hoops to match the wonderful, beautiful yellow flower. And of course, you don't want too looking like a Christmas tree. You can take off all the other jewelry and just stay with the earrings. I've also wanted to add an extra accessory to dress this up a little bit more. And so we have a leather belt where you can tie it around the waist, cinch in the waist with this look. And this you can take into the evening. So a little bit more fitted, still with the same shoes, and there you go. Very nice look.